The BLCKTEC 420 OBD2 Scanner is a powerful diagnostic tool that allows users to quickly identify and resolve vehicle issues, offering features like live data and battery tests. With its top-rated app, this scanner provides comprehensive diagnostics and verified fixes, making it an invaluable tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. The scanner's compatibility with all cars from 1996 and newer, along with multilingual support, ensures it can be used widely without any language barriers. Designed in the USA with the expertise of local master technicians, this tool guarantees unmatched customer support and product knowledge. The BLCKTEC 420 scanner's free firmware updates ensure it remains at the cutting edge of vehicle diagnostics technology, offering a future-proof solution for users. This versatile tool is not just a code reader, it also provides access to maintenance schedules, dealer recalls, and technical service bulletins for comprehensive vehicle care.